Hey everybody, Chris Bettis from Fluent Mortgage, VA Fluently, an impromptu mortgage market update. So this one's gonna be a little longer, literally off all we've seen off this week. I gotta cover 3 points. So first off, Federal Reserve rate dropped by 0.5%. So Federal Reserve rate, that has nothing to do with mortgage rates. That's not our money. That's bank money. That's the money they can borrow for. Unless you own a bank, you're not getting it for 0.5% cheaper. I'm sorry. It's just, that's the way it is. So also specific that, why did they do it? They did it because of Corona, because Corona is destroying the market. It's destroying the stock market. It's destroying your investment accounts. They did that to raise the stock market. Well, it worked. Okay. So first point. Second point, stock market yesterday, historic, like second largest jump ever in the history of stock market. A little bit on the Fed Reserve rate. Second, really the primary reason, and this is not politics, this is math and facts. I'm not endorsing or not endorsing a certain political person, but the stock market, capitalism was afraid of Bernie Sanders, socialist. You can't be a socialist Democrat. It's impossible. It's two completely polar opposite economic philosophies. Math and facts only. So they're terrified of Bernie. Joe Biden's going to be the Democratic Party person, at least it appears at this point. And in response to Super Tuesday, boom, stock market in combination with the Fed 0.5 point, boom, second greatest jump ever in the history of the stock market. Remember, stock market up equals rates up. So I literally saw in the last 24 hours, one lender jump by 0.75% to interest rate. Biggest jump I've ever seen in a day. Amazing, horrible, depending on your perspective. Finally, there is potential for some extreme movement in market. I either see extremely better rates or extremely worse rates. And based on some information today, we could see some very positive report tomorrow for the stock market, bad for rates. So bottom line, you got to do your homework. You got to get with the mortgage professional. Don't go with vanilla. Don't go with just a simple dumb banker, not being politically correct, but someone who only has one set of money unless you've shopped. I'm seeing between 2.75, 2.95, 3.5. I'm hearing and seeing 4.125 to 4.5% rates for veterans. So almost a 2% swing in market today. What does that mean? Over 30 years, almost $1 million in money that could have been returned to you. What does that mean? Up to $100,000 or more house to you. Literally a price went out competing against somebody. It was $800 a month difference. My 2.75 versus their 4.125 because the loan amount. So please get with the professional. Get with someone that shops. Like I'm literally having to pay attention to my lenders very closely today because they're all over the board. From 2.75 to literally 3.5% for the same product. And you gotta get with someone that has a rate watcher. Several people yesterday, we locked in literally 5 minutes before a meteoric jump in rates. So there's the 3 points. Understand prime, understand the stock market and what happened, and then get with someone really, truly professional. You got to protect yourself. Veterans, thank you for your service. And in response, make sure you're with the right person to administer that benefit. Have a blessed day. Change the world for at least one person. Man, it's going to be another long day. I got to help some people. Bye.